Step 3. Templating. In order to ensure a perfect fit for the stone you have selected, it is necessary for a pattern to be created on site, called a template. Marble.com uses a state-of-the-art laser measuring system that assures these patterns are an exact size and fit for the space they are to be installed in. And our templating technicians will use their design expertise to assist you in selecting an edge pattern that complements the space and fixtures. During templating, all the cabinets must be installed and leveled, and all appliances need to be on location. This will ensure complete accuracy for fabrication and installation. Once the estimate is complete, Marble.com will need a certified check or money order for 50% of the estimated price. Marble.com is the world leader in stone fabrication technology. For related videos, please follow the links on the screen. For more info, visit Marble.com. For more videos, tune into tv.marble.com and make sure to follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/marble.com. Thanks for watching.